I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Naman natin kung gaano nga talaga kaimportante sa ating couple ang kanilang mga kaarawan. Lalong-lalo pa nga sineselebrate talaga nila ito na magkasama. Kaya naman ang mga bula ay sobrang happy talaga kapag ganito nga ang ganaps ng ating couple na talaga namang hindi nakakalimutan ang bawat kaarawan ng isa't isa. Kaya naman ayon nga guys sa mga bula, something about the way Belle greets Donnie on his birthday, no? It's never loud, never trying to say too much, just these almost incidental moments, photos taken from behind, the most generic line you could think of. But if you really know her, you know she isn't someone who gives pieces of herself lightly. She's the type who feels deeply, who shows up quietly for the people who matter to her. And one of these people is her Nato. They live in public, but what she chooses to share feels intimate, deliberate, like a small window into something meant to stay theirs. Maybe that's why it feels deeper now, not because it's louder, but because it's more protected, the kind that doesn't need to explain itself. Iyan na nga ngayon ang pinag-uusapan dahil ito nga guys ang larawan ng ating Donnie na pinost nung nakaraang taon ng kanyang Belle Mariano, at ngayong taon ay ganito pa rin nga na kung saan ay palagi nga nakatalikod dito itong ating Donnie na talagang sobrang lalim nga ng ibig sabihin para sa kanila.